Look no further than the 2019 Dodge Durango. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Durango makes even the most demanding tasks look and feel easy. Its bold power, uncompromising capability, and technology that prioritizes passenger safety and comfort make it the go-to SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel confident knowing that your vehicle is prepared to meet the challenge. Drive the Durango.